Hi, Paul here. I'm going to show you how to work with text in Movavi Video Editor. I'm going to show you the overview of text, basic text. We're going to do simple text manipulation. We're also going to work with featured text, basic text, artistic text, and opening, a lower thirds text, and also speech bubbles. Now, let's begin. Now, for you to access text in Movavi Video Editor, it is very simple. Come to this aspect called T. If you hover around it, it will show you its titles. Then we have various text here. It will give you these aspects here, where there's intro, all, and all texts here. There's favorites, the text that you have favorite. There's my titles that already are favorite, featured. Here you can also have featured text here, where also you can have a simple text. You can have basic, where you have basic text, but some of them have things to do with animations. You have artistic text, text to do with clippers and shapes have been inserted. Then opening text that you can use for intro videos, and also you have speech bubbles. So I'm going to show you. Let's start with the basic text here, where I'll go to featured, and I'll just start with the simple text. I want to show you how to manipulate simple text manipulation. So for me to insert text in the timeline, I'll just drag here and it will just come here like that. Then it will give me this dialog box here, and also you'll see the text is in there. It is here in the preview section. The next thing I'm going to do, already I wrote my text. You can also type here. You can grab this one here, and you can always type, or you can just, like already I wrote the text somewhere. Like already I wrote the text in a notepad. I can just come here and copy this one here, copy, and then I'll just come and paste it here. Although you can also type here. So the next thing you see, my text is here. What about if I want to change the color of the text? I'll always come here, and maybe I want to put it as red. Maybe red is more romantic color. Maybe I don't like this font. I'll have to select the text here and maybe choose something to do with calligraphy. Maybe let me see this one. I think that one is good. Also, you can align your text. These alignments, left, centered, just, and many other aspects. There, you can also put your text to be bold. To make sure here is highlighted, you can also put it in italic. You can also underline your text, as you can see there. If you scroll down here, there are many options where you can put a shadow for your text, as you can see here. You can also put a background for your text, maybe something like black. I don't like black. Maybe I put something like, you can even change the color of the background, maybe something like purple. Purple is clashing. Maybe green is can do. You can also put an outline for the text. You don't have necessary to put all these things, only if you need them. Also, the outline, you can change the thickness. Maybe I want it to be more thicker. Then you can position your text. You can just come here under the preview and maybe put it somewhere here like that. Now, if I play, you see my text is now there, as you can see there. If I want to edit it again, I'll just double click this part here, and it will take me here again, where I'm able to do that. Now, there's something I want to show you about text. I want to remove, let me remove outline, let me remove this one background, and also let me just remember the shadows. There's also this aspect here about this art is called motion, where you can motion track a text. Maybe you want this text to follow this guy here, this couple here when they are moving. So it will, if you come to this motion tracking, it will come with this aspect here, something like a pointer where you want to track the object. It will show. Now I'll just click here and track, and it just start tracking. Now when these people move, then if I apply and if I play, I come and play here. Yeah, you see when these people are moving, my text is also moving with them. So the text is like tracking all of that. You can also expand your text to, can come here in the timeline and expand your text to reach from end to end, so that you maybe want the text to go from one end to the other. So if I play, maybe even I come and play in the middle here, the text has disappeared. Okay, maybe I want my text to, you can see that. Now you can always come back to text here. Maybe I want to reset, I want to remove the track motion, I don't want it anymore. I think it's the one that was bringing that aspect. So I'll just come apply. Now if I even position my text here, you see now my text is back. If I play, now is a beautiful thing. Now you can see that's how to go about with text. Now the next thing I want to show you, there are other text here that you can also use. Remember the text will always come on top here under the text track here. Now you can, there are also other types of text. There's featured text here, as you can see here. Now these one are more artistic. For example, this one here, studio. If I click it, you can see here, you can see it here. If I double click it, I come to text here. You see it has these words. I can add maybe my name, maybe Paul. Also, if I double click this one here, where I type welcome, and also this one here, I'll just leave it there. Now maybe I add another track here. I add a title track or text, then I'll put it on top here. Now if I play, see there is now hovering on top of this. Maybe I don't want it there. I just maybe can easily position this one here like so. Can easily position it here like so, so that it doesn't overshadow the other text. You see now this one is more of dominated text. Now you also have artistic text. Maybe now for this kind of a video, maybe I want to use this heart here. I can just pull it here, position it here. See, then if I want to edit it, okay, this is the text I've just inserted here, this one here. So if I want to edit it, I'll just double click it here. I'll come to text here, always love you. You see, now I can always, maybe if I want to delete always love, maybe I just leave it at that. So you can easily play around with text like that. Maybe I like this kind of text. Maybe I want to favorite it. So I'll just double click it, and then I'll come here. I want to save it so that I'll always use it in my subsequent videos. I'll just come and maybe give it a name, maybe my name Paul. Then I'll just save it like that. So if I come to my titles, it will come here, so I can easily use it many times. I can always come and put it somewhere there, as you can see. Also, you can easily favorite your text. Maybe I like this text, I can just come and click this love here, and it will be favorite. So it will always be in favorites here, so I can always access it easily anytime that I feel like.